Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul, a new haul this time. It is actually from Pretty Gets Gritty, which obviously you would have seen via the thumbnail, but I do have to apologise. For some reason my camera just decided not to record any sound on this haul whatsoever, so when I've come to edit it I'm like, oops, what's happened here? So instead of the footage going to waste, I have actually decided to just do a voiceover. So I do hope that's okay with you guys, and please bear with me for not probably keeping up with the products and stuff, because obviously you know what I'm like for ranting on and stuff, so I do go off on a tangent. So like say, this order's from Pretty Gets Gritty, and the reason I placed this order was for these Pretty Out There gels, which will be coming up shortly, and they basically had an offer on Fridays. They do an offer on Instagram, probably other social medias too, on their website, and basically that's what this offer was buy one get one free on these that particular day. So whilst I was on the website, I decided to pick up this palette knife, and it just, like I say, it feels really sturdy and strong, so I'm quite excited to actually give that one a try, because I've only got like plasticky ones and a bit flimsy, so I feel like this will give that extra sturdiness when using the stencils and stuff. And these are the Pretty Out There gels. As you can see, they're quite a large pot, and then basically, like I say, these was buy one get one free. I'd messaged Lynette, who's the founder of Pretty Gets Gritty, and she'd put me onto some lives that was done on the Pretty Gets Gritty site on Facebook, and the lady on there was showing how to use these via painting and stuff, and apparently you can put them in moulds and stuff like that, so I cannot wait to have a play out there with them. The first one I got was K-pop. I'm not sure if I said, but these was actually buy one get one free, so it was just a crazy deal. So I was like, right, I've got to get them. And if you know anything about me, I have to have the whole set of everything. I don't think I managed to get the whole set of all of these, just because some had sold out, but you can guarantee I will be getting the rest of what's missing. I think I was only missing 2, so yeah, at least it's easy enough for me to get them. So I don't really know what I'm rabbiting on about them, but probably telling you about the Facebook page and the lady and everything again. But yeah, and these are all like got this mica shimmer through in every one of these, and some have got like golden shimmers, and some have got silvery shimmers, some's got purplish shimmers and stuff, so it gives you lots of different types of paints and pigments in there. There's lots of mica in there, so I'm just showing you here the mica that's actually in the pot. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's like a purpley bluey colour, this one. And the next one we've got is Atomic Bomb, and this has got, I'm sure this was like a golden mica coming through. It's stunning. And the next one is a lovely bright pink and called Shabby Chic, and again this has got that golden mica running through it. And then we've got this like almost fluorescent orange, it's called Outrageously Jojo, and again got this golden pigment going through. Oops, dropped them. I think I'm just showing you here that there is 2 oranges, but there are 2 different tones of oranges, so like one's much brighter than the other, but are both absolutely gorgeous, and like one's got more of a coral theme to it. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but it is actually more corally than the other. Then this one is Dazed. I absolutely love this one, and I'm not really a purple girl, but I really like this one. I can see me using this a lot. And the next one is Debasque. I'm probably saying that completely wrong. And this is a blue paint with like a purple mica running through. It's absolutely beautiful. Obviously I'm going to love this because blue is my favourite colour. Blues and greens. So they're where I'll always gravitate to more than any others. And then we've got this one, didn't quite catch the name of that one, but this is a green one. They are Bossed, it's called, sorry about that. And this has got like a blue pigmenty shimmer running through that one. It was really difficult to get the camera to pick it up, to be honest, but I did try. But in person it is there, you can clearly see that it is there, but the camera just did not want to pick it up whatsoever. And then the last one here is Wipeout, which is a white, and this has got the golden tones underneath it, and this is the one that the lady was using on the actual Facebook live that I'd seen. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's just going to give you that little subtleness on your projects, really. It's absolutely gorgeous. So the next thing is this Get Crackled paste. I did need some crackle paste because I haven't actually got any, so I thought, well, this is the perfect time to get some, and I believe it's so good, which I'm not doubting for 1 minute, because everything I've had from Pretty Gets Gritty has always been amazing. So why not try the Get Crackled paste. It's a fairly big jar too. Couldn't remember how much it was, but it wasn't that expensive. And then these last few bits was just in the sale. I went in the sale side, and this was a black spray. There's no mica or anything in it, but I didn't want any mica anyway. I was quite happy not to have the mica, and I think this was like $2.50 or $3.50, something around there. And they still got it on the website as far as I'm aware. So absolutely stunning sprays. And the next thing are these Pretty powders. Again, I got these in the sale, and I think these was something like a £2 a tub. And when I was reading like the info on it, it kind of gave me the vibe of the Perfect Pearls, so I was kind of hoping that's what it is. And by looking in the tubs, it definitely looks very much like Perfect Pearls. I'm reading the bump on the side, like you can use them with water and stuff. It kind of definitely did give me the Perfect Pearls vibe, but the size of the pot is just way bigger than the actual Perfect Pearls pots as well. I would have actually got more if I could have found more of these, but they didn't. I could only find these. Whether they were selling them off or not, and they're not going to restock it, probably is the case, just because I did get these in the sale, which would be a shame because they're just so pretty. But if they've not sold, they've not sold. So I was telling you about the size of these pots, and I decided to go and get one of the Perfect Pearl pots just to compare against it, to show you how much difference there is. Like it looks like you get so much more in these particular pots than the Perfect Pearls, because I definitely do. I mean, obviously there's no grams on the Perfect Pearls. I did look to see, but like you can see, like the Pretty Gets Gritty one is slightly thinner, but it's definitely taller, so I feel like that is definitely going to give me more. I mean, I haven't opened the pots up to see if they're up to full, but in my opinion, then these are actually like much more products in there. So that's basically my haul, guys. Like I say, hope you enjoyed this. I'd love it if you would comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'm just loving interacting with you guys. And go and check out Pretty Gets Gritty yourselves, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.